Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan, and for today's video I'm going to be doing like a kind of flawless skin tutorial, like a flawless base tutorial. So I've done all my skincare off camera, so I'm just going to get started. So to start, I'm going to go in with my primer. So I'm going to use the NYX Bear With Me one, because for this I feel like you kind of need like a sticky primer. Like rub it in and just rub that into my skin. And then just kind of pushing it in. So I don't want it like feeling wet, I want it kind of sticky. And then I'm going to go in with my KVD Vegan Beauty shade and light palette and go in with this contour shade here, just the lightest one. Get some of it on like a flat foundation brush and just put that where I would usually contour. So just on my cheekbones. Some at my hairline, just a little bit there, and then some on my jawline as well. And to blend it in, I'm just going to go in with my sponge and just blend that in a bit. And then I'm going to go in with a cream blush as well. So I'm going to use this one from Sleep, but it's just a quite like bright pink. And I'm just going to put that where I'd normally put my blush. And then just doing the same thing and just blending it in. And then to conceal like any kind of blemishes or that I've got just now, I'm just going to go in with this like kind of lighter, I'm just going to go in with this like highlighter shade in the shade and light palette and just put it on any bits that I'm wanting to cover. And then just kind of press it in a little bit, just with my fingers. And then for foundation, I'm just going to go in with a really light coverage one. So I'm going to go in with the Ordinary Serum foundation and just squirt a little bit onto my hand. And then using my beauty sponge again, I'm just going to start putting that onto my skin. And I'm just starting at the centre of my face and blending it out. And I'm just making sure to get every kind of cream product a little bit covered, just so it doesn't look too out of place or too dark. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer, so I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define, and I'm just going to put just where I would normally conceal. And just dab that in. To set my face, I'm only going to set the concealer with the translucent powder. And I'm going to go in with the Revolution translucent powder. And I'm just going to press the powder under my eyes like that. And then I'm just going to do the same everywhere else. I used the concealer. And I'm only going to leave it for a minute or two just under my eyes and leave it to set. So now that I've left it like just 1 or 2 minutes, I'm just going to wipe away the excess. I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm going to go in with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Get a little bit on my brush and just really lightly start buffing that in. I'm just doing the same here, so I'm just setting the cream products here. And I'm just doing the same under my jawline just to set that. And then really lightly going along the top of my forehead. And then for my blush, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. one in a Twinkle Pink. And again, I'm just going to do it really lightly just to add a little more blush. And then I'm going to go in with my Vieve highlighter in Bijou. So just on top of the cheekbones, right where the tip of my cheekbone is, just so the light's always hitting it. And then on my nose, my forehead, upper lip, and I'm just going to go in with the brush I had my translucent powder on and just kind of swipe away maybe like any excess powders that might just be sitting on my skin. For my lips, I'm just going to go in with this lip liner by Academy of Colours. I'm not sure what the name is, but it's just quite a dark, like purpley brown. And I'm just going to overline and just blend it into my lips. And then again just under my bottom lip. Just bringing the colour up a little bit. And then blending it into my lips. And then to keep it a kind of like natural look, I'm just going to go in with a Nivea, like a Nivea lip balm, and just so that's a kind of like easy foundation routine for like kind of flawless skin, but like it's not like too heavy and that, and it doesn't use like too much powder like around, like you don't need to set your whole face or anything, so it might, if you're not very good with like powders and that, it would help. And also you can cut out the powder contour and blush if you just do it darker under your foundation. But thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. If you could like and subscribe, it would really help my channel. And if you want to follow my Instagram, I've got my personal and my makeup Instagram linked down below. And I'll have my TikTok and Twitter linked down below as well. But thank you for watching. Bye.